Market's about to open on up, and here we go, guys. We're in ARDX at 760. This is a live trade, strong resistance level. We'll see if it's going to break here, and it looks like it's about to get it. I scaled out half of my position here, and we'll see what the stock does. It should have a pullback coming on up. Should have a healthy pullback coming on up, but we want it to stay green on the day. So ARDX was the #1 stock pre-market, had all the volume. The stock rose 44.4% in pre-market this morning after the company disclosed that its pivotal phase 3 study hit all of its primary endpoints. So a lot of hot activity on this stock today. Now it looks like we're having a pullback. We'd like to see $8 hold here. And I'd like for it to stay green on the day. If it goes below the open of the day, I'm going to get out. A lot of sellers coming in. So when a stock gaps up like this, 44.4%, there's going to be a lot of sellers. A lot of shorts are going to try to take over too. So we're probably going to have a pullback here. Not a lot of other hot PRs today. So definitely expecting this stock to be green on the day, but we could see a lot of selling here at the start. It's playing around here at $8. $8 support is holding up. Has some support, but it might crack here. This is about where the open is. It looks like we're going to get the crack, guys, and what we're going to do is we're expecting it to go green on the day, but we don't want to hold and hope, because holding and hoping is not a strategy in the market. What we want to do is exit our position, and then when we see the next pattern forming, we want to get into it. So we're going to exit here, take our small profit. A lot of sellers coming in, so that's okay. A lot of sellers coming in. This is going to drop more. And what we're going to do is not hold and hope, although we expect this to go up higher. We're going to wait. And so here we go. The stock went all the way down to under 740, so it's a good thing we didn't hold and hope, but now it's forming a pattern. If you look at this, it's forming a nice symmetrical pattern. The stock is getting squeezed together. It's forming higher lows and lower highs. So we're squeezing together, and what we need to do is break above the trend line. We need to break above the upward trend line. It's okay if this stock bounces off the trend line again. It's looking good. It's creating higher lows, and that's what we want. We're above the trend line now on this symmetrical triangle pattern. Very predictable, guys. You got to be patient with this market, but a lot of volume should be coming in here. This is a good entry point, and $8 is going to be the next resistance level. That's natural resistance at $8. So this should be an easy 15 cents if you want to scale out or lock in there. And if not, if you want to play the $8 break, that should be coming up here too. So easy, predictable pattern, guys. You just got to be patient. Got to be disciplined. Lots of volume coming in. The ask is getting hit, but there's a wall of sellers here at $8. So we might not get it this first time. It might come back down. That's why this was a good level to scale out or sell your position at. It's trying to break. It's trying to break $8. We got a wall of sellers there, though. It's a good time to scale out some of your position and take some of your profits. All right. Looks like we're getting the break. So good job, team. If you scaled out at $8 and now you're making more money here. The next resistance level is going to be 820. If we can get to 820. 820 is going to be the high of day. So guys, this is very predictable stuff. Trading is just understanding where other people are getting in and out at. And if you know that, you'll be successful in the markets. I'm using a small account, and I have 3-day trades under the PDT rules. So I'm saving my last trade, but that was a great entry on the break of the upper trend there. We get another squeeze in. If you look at ARDX, what it does is it consolidates right around $8 for a little while and gets another squeeze. See, we can draw this right here. It's squeezed together. Anybody can draw lines. We learned this in kindergarten, guys. So if you got in around 745 when it made its first high or low, you would still want to be holding right now. You might would have scaled out around $8 resistance, but unless it breaks the trend line, you don't want to get out. You just need to follow the trend line, and when it cracks that, get out. Thanks for watching. Great job, team, and we'll get back at it tomorrow.